Hello everybody, it is Unicorn FX and I'm coming back to you guys with another video, and today I am bringing you guys will you press the button questionmark.com. And if you've never heard of this, you might, well, it's a game where really it'll ask you questions. There's always a good side to it, but there's always a bad side. You can either have nothing happen or you could press the button. And it will happen. And I'm extremely hungry, so this first one I am probably gonna really agree with. Actually, I take that back. But so we're gonna just jump right into this. If you haven't seen like Markiplier or anybody like Jacksepticeye do this, you should really go and check them out. Check them out doing this. My reactions aren't as good as theirs because I haven't been doing this as long as they have. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. You get a sandwich, which I would really love right now because I'm super duper hungry. But you aren't really hungry. But I'm hungry right now. That's really school right there for you. They serve you when you're not hungry. I mean, they serve you when you're not hungry, but they don't let you eat when you're hungry. So I'm gonna go ahead and just click the button because I can. So 79% of people agree with me. Also, if I get more than 3 times, or a certain amount of percentage of people disagree with me, then I'm gonna go through harsh pain. I'm gonna have a whole another episode, a whole other video where I am gonna be harshly punished. Your favorite sport team always makes it to their respective championship game or series in dramatic fashion. Your favorite sport team always loses the championship in a painful manner. That's the Seattle Seahawks right there. Remember the Super Bowl 49? Yeah, we all saw that. They were doing amazing during the Super Bowl, but then they should have just ran beast mode, but they didn't. Oh. Whoops. My mic isn't plugged in, so it's probably got really bad stuff, so hopefully that's better. Yeah, that's probably better. Oh dear. So that's one. I'm just going to look like for all of them. X that out. Ads. Okay. You never have to wear clothes again, and nobody cares. Your parents react normally, and you can't put on clothes around them. You can't put on clothes. Oh, so it's like if you don't have clothes on, it's like wearing clothes, and if you have clothes on, it's like being naked. I would not click the button. I would actually not prefer that because it would be really cold. Oh my gosh! 58% of people would run around naked? Okay, I'm actually gonna click dislike for this one. I told you I didn't care, but that one I actually do care about. You are guaranteed to survive the apocalypse, at which time you and whoever else may have survived will be able to rebuild the world, but the apocalypse is tomorrow. I'm already prepared. I've got 3 ways in and out of my bedroom. I've got a sword downstairs. I've got a gun. I think I'd be ready. I just tell everybody to come over to my house and you'll be safe because I'm destined to survive the apocalypse. Let's go ahead and click that button. 73% of people have pressed this button. Oh, I don't have to be harshly punished yet. Yay. You have the fastest internet in the world, but you have the slowest computer in the world. I kind of already have that, so I'm just going to go ahead and click the button. I have the slowest Oh my gosh. I mean, that was actually a bad decision. But I just went with it because I already have it. Why would I even click the button if I already have it? Well, I don't have the fastest internet in the world, so that would be an addition to it. It's 2. Who you can transform into any game. You can transform any game into reality, but you will never be able to be the hero of the story. That would be I'm reading the comments right now. There's no hero in Grand Theft Auto. I don't play Grand Theft Auto that often. Pokemon would be a good one. I think like Final Fantasy, maybe. Zelda. I mean, Halo would be an okay one. You don't need to be the hero. Gosh. Well, yeah, I'm gonna click the button, but I think, like, what game would I choose? I mean, I think I would choose, like, yeah, I think I would choose Legends of Zelda, because it's, like, it's not all guns, and there's not blood in it. A really cool game. You end world hunger, slavery, dictatorship, overpopulation, war, hive, cancer, and major illnesses, obesity, racism, and religions intolerance. I don't even know what that one is. But the closest living person in your life has to die first. Problem is, I don't even know who that is, so probably one of my parents. Maybe my dad. Or my mom. I don't know. Possibly one of them. Okay, I am going to not press the button. I want nobody to die. Thank you for agreeing with me for once. You're treated as a god by a loyal army of fans. But you have to go home every night to do an abusive relationship that makes you feel like life just isn't working anymore. Isn't worth living anymore. I'm not gonna press the button. Oh my gosh. That's like feeling like you want to commit suicide. I mean, seriously, you guys want that? You guys want that? Okay. Okay, cat. My cat is right here. You can't see him. Say hi. Say hi. It's Dave. It's for Dave's Ultimate Insanity Sauce. Hot sauce. That gives me an idea of what the punishment will be. Do you think I should do Dave's Ultimate Insanity Sauce or the Ghost Pepper Sauce? Probably do the Ghost Pepper Sauce. So, oh dear. The X is over here, isn't it? No? Okay. Close this. Oh, there's a close button, obviously. You can become God and are able to control and manipulate anything, but nobody will ever believe a word you say and everybody will hate you, even your friends and family. Okay, one, I don't even want to be God, so I'm not going to click the button. With power comes what was it? Is this the same? Oh my gosh. With power comes bragging rights. That's true, but that's not what it is. Last one. This will be the last one. Cause there's an advertisements. Seriously, you guys. So many ads. There's not so many ads needed. Will you press the button? You hit the button and receive $1 million, but only if fewer than 50% of people have hit the button. Otherwise, your family dies. Oh, shoot. That means that if 50% or less did not click the button, and I click the button, my whole family dies. No, money isn't worth it. Money is not worth it. Oh, I should have just clicked the button. Well, that one wasn't predictable, so thank y'all so much for watching. make sure to subscribe if you like what I do at this channel, and make sure to leave a comment down below if you like this video, or about what I should do next, or what I should do better next time. So that animated intro that I was working on kind of failed, so I've got to make up all that time that I missed doing YouTube videos. So that's really all I can say. This is Unicorn FX1. Well, don't have to mind the one. Signing out.